Okay, I'm just gonna make part 2 of whatever I got or whatever. So I'm gonna pick up the hail with the cup. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay guys, I got it. And the ice is like not as big as I thought. Not as big as, like, you can see that sliding off my fingers. So yeah. Okay, this is what I got so far. No more. I think I'm just gonna put a lot. Okay, this is all of it. Not all of it, there's still lots more. But that's it for now. I'm sorry about my nails, they're really bad. Okay guys, if you guys were ever children, you would have eaten one of these. And it's not horrible, but it's just ice out of the sky. And it's becoming winter, and it's gonna be cold here because it's gonna snow and it's West Virginia, and it's gonna be like, eh. But yeah, I'm going to eat one. Not bad. I'm gonna have my cat try one. Come here. Hold on. Okay guys, I got a cat. See if you'll try one. Come on, Yogi. It's freezing. Fine, I'll eat it. But that's it. It's just 2 minutes. So yeah, it's colder than ice. It's like. Okay, if you guys didn't know, I have animals, and I feel like you're new or whatever. I don't even know. I haven't been doing this for a long time. But I'm going to do meet my animals. I only have 3 cats. I used to have like 11 pigeons at the same time. We had 24 altogether, but that's it.